Customers' complaints about waiting too long, taking order too slowly, inaccurate payment, out of stock ingredients in kitchen, not having real-time reports for managers. Don't worry, Cukcuk will help you. Cukcuk is a cloud-based software system suited for all types of restaurants, such as table service, quick service, takeaway, banquet, buffet, and delivery. Especially with our quick service version is tailored for the cafe, milk tea, fast food restaurant, Cukcuk, we confidently believe this solution will automate the sales workflow and enhance the service quality and operation efficiency. Step 1. Taking order and billing. The way staff can use tablet, PC, or POS to offer the promotion programs for customers. Quickly take dish and modifiers or requirements of customers. Avoid long waiting times. Get payment, print bill with waiting numbers. Immediately sending orders to chef or bartenders. Step 2. Process management. The chef or the bar staff receive kitchen order issues, which are paper printed or show on the tablet with notification to process. Then they can automatically inform when the food is ready to be served or send the out-of-stock dishes to order device without moving. Cukcuk also specializes in generating the total number of each dish need to be cooked in order to save time. Step 3. Receiving food. When the order is finished, customer can get notification on TV screen to receive on time. Step 4. Real-time business reports. The data about sales, cost, profit is instantly updated in more than 40 statistic charts and analyzed reports to ensure that the owners can closely control business performance anytime, anywhere, on mobile device without being at the restaurant. Moreover, all action and transactions are recorded in Cukcuk can be easily looked up. That is the efficient tool for controlling staff, avoiding fraud or mistake. On the other hand, Cukcuk also meets all the accounting requirements for F&B such as inventory management, purchasing, debt, cash book, especially with automatically calculating and recommended the needed number of ingredients features based on sale history. Cukcuk can cut down the ingredient shortage or wastefulness. To be a trustful companion, Cukcuk provides the digital membership management and marketing solution based on 5-foot platform that restaurant can maintain the current customers, attract new customers, and save cost. With one add-on features, self-order version for customers on tablet help reduce the waiting time and raise the customer experience. Not only successfully implemented for 10,000 Vietnamese restaurants, Cukcuk is used in more than 12 countries around the world with lots of international awards and prestigious certificates. Register Cukcuk.com now for free support and more rewards. Thanks for watching.